Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to be repairing this HP 24-D D0117C all-in-one computer. As you can see, the screen is cracked, so we're going to have to swap the screen out for a new one. So let's get into the video. We're going to start with using a pry tool to lift the plastic cover on the stand. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the two screws holding the stand in place. Remove the stand and lay the computer flat. Then, using a spudger, gently remove the speaker bezel from the computer, exposing the screws. Again, using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 14 screws holding the screen's frame to the chassis. Using a pry tool, gently work your way lifting around the sides of the screen and lifting the retention clips. Be careful to slowly lift the screen towards you so you don't yank and potentially damage any of the cables. Now we remove the LVDS image cable and the backlight cable running from the screen assembly to the motherboard. To avoid damaging cables, it's very important to gently pry them out from the tabs at the edges, and not to pull straight out, as that can break one of the small internal wires. Now we disconnect the cables from the broken screen to transfer to the new one. To avoid damaging the cables, it's very important to gently pry them out from the tabs at the edges, and not to pull straight out, as that can break one of the small internal wires. You can leave the backlight cable in the frame since we're just going to transfer the whole thing anyways. Remove the 9 screws from around the edge of the frame and the 1 screw on the bottom. Now we're going to remove the frame from the broken screen and transfer it to the new one. Replace all the screws we took out of the frame. Plug the backlight and LVDS cables back into their ports on the screen. When plugging them back in, make sure to put pressure evenly from the sides of the cable head and not pushing with your finger straight down, as that can damage the cables. Make sure they are fully plugged in. If not all the pins are contacting properly, it will cause display issues. Now we replace the backlight and LVDS cables into their correct ports on the motherboard. Just like before, make sure they are fully plugged in to avoid any display issues. Lay the screen back into place and, using the palm of your hand very gently, apply even pressure all around the edges to snap the screen back into place. Do not use your thumbs, as this can crack the screen. Now we replace the screws to the LCD frame. Then you slot the stand back into place, tighten the 2 screws, and close the plastic cover. This is how you repair a cracked screen on an HP 24-D D0117C all-in-one computer. If you need to source a replacement screen, there will be a link down below. If you don't want to do this repair yourself, you can reach out to us on our website over at lcdguarantee.com or our email at info@lcdguarantee.com, where we offer a mail-in repair service. Thanks for watching.